part of the 66th All India Cooperative Week 2019 that kicked off from 14th of this month, the Women Cooperative Weaving Society Limited will observe the event on 19th of this month at the Yumjau Lairambi Community Hall of Wahimbam Laikai, Imphal. The Church of God at Kualapati in Meghalaya capital Shillong was destroyed in an inferno in the wee hours today. As per media reports, 2 persons having a house close to the devastated church died allegedly due to suffocation. Confirming the incident, East Khasi Hills District Superintendent of Police C. Lingwa said 2 persons, one male and another female, died inside the house which was located close to the church. Tripura police arrested 3 more Nigerians from Churebari in Tripura. Media reports said that frequent intrusion of Nigerians have triggered panic among the locals. Police recovered passport and visa from the Nigerians for travelling in Bangladesh, but they could not produce any other documents which could allow them to travel in India. MPSCA has won the first state-level Open Men's 6-a-side hockey tournament trophy in the final match that played last evening at Thawal Mela Ground Unity Park. MPSCA defeated MPSCB by 4-1.